able to yung live up to that hype sa first dunk pa lang.
Yes, and you know, this is a team. Okay, ito, tinataas ko na yung 10 ko kagad. Wala pa dunk. 10 na.
lang.
Tingnan nyo, nandyan pa yung dalawang youth ball boys namin.
Si Maning.
Oo, tsaka si Bert. Alright, and halos magkaka-height lang sila. Tingnan mo. Yan, halos magkaka-height lang.
You know, we've seen players like KG Canaleta and tinatalunan yung mga player.
Pero
yung
nakatalikod dun sa dunker. Ito nakaharap sa kanya.
Pati si Maning nagbibigay ng instruction ng kay Bert.
Kasi mas
Parang si Sabi, sige ikaw sa harapan.
Mas kinakabahan pa si Maning si Bert.
Melton,
Alright.
a rookie. First time to compete dito sa slam dunk competition.
Yeah, the excitement is building. Eto na.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh!
Let's go home, baby! Let's go home!
Diba? I told you. With a left and a dot. Huh?
Justin Melton going up high and down hard for the finish. Perfect score.
Kulang yung score na yan.
10 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8.
Lahat na.
Okay.
Tignan nyo naman yung elevation. Ito si
Unbelievable.
Justin Melton. Wow.
And he is dunking not just for himself, but for all the people like me who are below 6 feet. This is for all of us.
Kita mo naman yung yung extension niya.
Tsaka tignan mo yung lampas niya dun sa kanila. Pwede pa eh.
Look at the face of Burton Maning.
Natakot.
Yung kanina, Burton Maning.
Natakot eh. Oh,
Nag-flash na yung buhay nila sa mata nila.
Yes.
But look at Justin Melton, lethal left hand throwdown. Flex those muscles, boy. Perfect score all around, no doubt. Justin Melton,
Quick
a
melt.
40-point performance.
Quick melt.
So it's Melton with 40, Hodge 36, Guevara with 40, Aguilar 36,